Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2007 Suzuki GSX-R600 Supersport. Inline 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, beautiful condition. This amazing one-owner GSX-R600 was just acquired with only 24,000 miles on the odometer. Yoshimura pipe, sounds amazing. Fender eliminator, rear seat cowl. This bike is priced to sell at just $56.99. Make your super sport dreams come true with this beautiful red and white GSX-R600. Come by, check it out. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.